One of the fantastic things about the Secchi disc is its simplicity. Just lower the disc into the water until it's no longer visible, and this is your Secchi depth. However, there are some other aspects to consider. Ensure your sampling site is safe. A jetty or boat with railing is ideal. You'll sample at the same site each time, so make sure your site isn't going to be vulnerable to waves even at high tide. If monitoring from a boat, you should have the appropriate experience and licences and wear a life jacket. Remember to wear appropriate clothing, sturdy footwear with good tread and sun protection. Ideally, monitor in teams of at least 2. If you do have to go out alone, notify someone of your movements and take a phone in case of emergency. Avoid monitoring in storms. Choppy water and strong wind is not only unsafe, but will give a less reliable reading. Secchi readings will have some inherent variability, so try to limit as many variables as possible. Take readings on the outgoing or low tide, when natural turbidity is at its lowest. Take readings not too early or late in the day, when visibility is best. Try to monitor in a site free of sun glare. Ensure the Secchi disc hangs vertical. If there is a current, wait until the tide slackens. Readings should be taken with corrected vision. If wearing glasses, secure them so they don't fall in the water. Because everyone has slightly different eyesight, readings will vary from person to person. If you are taking readings as a group, you can therefore take an average. Secure the tie line to prevent the disc falling. Then very slowly lower the disc into the water until it just disappears from view. The point the tape measure touches the water will be your Secchi depth. If monitoring from a jetty or railing of a boat, you won't be able to reach the ocean's surface and will use the indirect method. Here, the distance from the railing to the water is subtracted from the total measurement. To do this, lower the disc until it just enters the ocean. At this point, record the distance on the tape measure lined up with the railing. Continue lowering until the disc disappears and record this distance. Your Secchi depth is the difference between these two readings. Another way is to place pegs at these points. The line can be pulled up and the difference between the two pegs calculated. Once you have your Secchi depth, record it on the data sheet in centimetres. Record variables that may affect your reading, such as tide, cloud cover, whether your sample site is in shade or sun, wind direction and wind strength. Other observations can also be useful, such as nearby dredging or stormwater discharge that may be causing high turbidity. Sometimes the Secchi disc will be visible on the ocean floor. This is still valuable data, so record this as well. Once finished, rinse the disc in tap water and allow it to dry out before packing it away in your kit. And that's all there is to it. Happy monitoring!